video. So like, comment, and subscribe. Gonna be another short video. Turn your post notification bells on if you into car entertainment, car knowledge, car education. Stick around. Don't want to miss none of that. You'll see the title and thumbnail. The big brother. So the big brother is Chrysler. Then the middle brother is Dodge. Then we have the little brother, Jeep. Is that correct? Let me know in the comments. Well, I gave y'all the news on the Dodge, on everything that's around Dodge. I gave y'all the news of what's coming for Chrysler. But I recognize I didn't give y'all nothing about Jeep. So I did my research. Jeep is not bringing the Trackhawk back. So there won't be no 2023 Trackhawks. Yeah, so they actually are producing something as a replacement, but it is an EV. So if you haven't heard, apparently they are about to release the Jeep Wagoneer S EV. It's going to pack 600 horsepower as somewhat as a replacement for the Trackhawk. Obviously, it will never live up to what the Trackhawk had to produce, and obviously the horsepower that the Trackhawk pretty much put down. Where does this sound come from? Sorry. So obviously it would never replace the 707 horsepower Trackhawk, but Jeep is going to do things a little bit different, going to start moving to EV. If you don't want the EV options, they do have the regular gas-powered Grand Wagoneers as well, and the Wagoneers. I know they have a 6.4 liter of their own. It's not actual SRT. So those options are out there in the hemisphere. So obviously new battery powered Wagoneer, which is code name for the Wagoneer S for the time being. S is for speed. Wagoneer speed. Striking and sexy, according to Stellantis chief design officer. Sleeker, more aerodynamic design. The new Wagoneer S is targeting 600 horsepower, 400 miles of range, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in just 3.5 seconds. Like I said, will never replace the Trackhawk. There will never be another Trackhawk. Don't matter what you do. Matter if you go EV. Matter if you make. It doesn't even matter if you make an EV that goes 1,000 horsepower. But that's the update, guys, on what's going on around Jeep. I know, like we said, Dodge is doing some things to go out with a bang. Chrysler's about to release something crazy, and Jeep is taking a different stance as the youngest brother, if that's the order. Chrysler is the oldest. I don't know who's the oldest. It's either Dodge or Chrysler. I don't know. I know they are brothers. But like, comment, subscribe, and guys, supporting is free 99.9, and it don't cost you a dime. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.